Major updates to Windows 11 don't always come in on their own, at least not right away. If you want to check and see if there are any major updates available, go ahead and right-click on your Start button, click on Settings, and then go to Windows Update in the lower left. And then here we can see that one of the big annual updates, 23H2, is available, but it has not come in on its own automatically. We can click on Download and Install, and you can see the download progress, and soon after that the installation progress. Eventually the computer will tell you that it wants to restart the computer at that time, and you should have that new major update. So here we have the update has completed its initial business and it wants to restart the computer. We get notification here in Windows Update, and if you've closed Windows Update, you should still get a notification in the lower right hand corner of your computer saying that the computer wants to restart. So we'll just click on that and get things flowing.